pans, pans, pans. Noun. Definition: a metal container used for cooking food in. Example: heat the olive oil in a heavy pan. Noun. Definition: a hollow in the ground in which water may collect or in which a deposit of salt remains after water has evaporated. Example: this should be done when the soil is as dry as possible, and aims to break through any pre-existing hard pans and to open up the subsoil to facilitate rapid and deep penetration of the vine roots. Noun. Definition: a hard stratum of compacted soil. Example: heavy spikes can be useful in breaking a surface pan in grassland. Verb. Definition: criticize severely. Verb. Definition: wash gravel in a pan to separate out gold. Example: the old-timers panned gold.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.